Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant while trying to invite any player you are not able to do so. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Now in order to fix out this issue that you are not able to invite your friend, open up your web browser and you need to open up this official website of the Riot Games. First of all, you need to log in using your user ID and password onto the Riot Games website. Type in the code that you have received onto your email ID. Now after signing in, from the left pane you can see Riot ID is available. Scroll down and you will find the option of country or region. Now in order to invite your friend or in order to play with your friend, make sure that your country or region must be same as yours. If the region of you and your friend is different, then you are not able to play the game. And if you still want to play, you need to take help of a VPN. And for a VPN, if you want a free VPN, Proton VPN is available. Go ahead, download it into a system and then use this VPN and make sure you select the region as your friend region by checking right over here, country or region. And if you think the region is not correct, then you need to open up the official website of Valorant, scroll down and then click on the option login to again log in onto this website, and then you will find the option of check. Click on the option check, and if there is any kind of issue with your region, like you have selected a different region, then right over here you can contact the Riot support which help you change your current region to the actual region. Once your region is updated, you will be able to play the game, but make sure again your friend and your region must be same to invite. Now using a Proton VPN is limited because you may not get the same region as your friends due to its limited features. So for that, I highly recommend to go with NordVPN. Here is the link for the NordVPN. I share the link in the description of this video. Use this NordVPN as this particular VPN is 100% secure and value your privacy. So if you want to opt for a free version, Proton VPN is there, and if you want to opt for a paid version, NordVPN is there. Both links will be shared you in the description of this video. Use VPN, connect it, select your same region as your friends while inviting the Valorant, and this will fix out the issue of unable to invite players in the Valorant. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.